Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up sales tax exemptions in TaxJar step by step clearly. To set up sales tax exemptions in TaxJar, start by logging into your TaxJar account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section located in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Sales Tax Exemption option. Next, click the Add New Exemption button to begin creating a new exemption. You will need to fill out the required fields for the exemption. Start by selecting the state for which you want to establish the exemption. Enter the name of the customer or entity that holds the exemption. Then, input the exemption certificate number if applicable. Provide the effective start date of the exemption. You may also include an expiration date if there is one. Once all information is entered, review the details for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize the exemption setup. After saving, you can view the list of exemptions in the Sales Tax Exemption section. To edit or delete an exemption, click on the exemption name from the list. Make any necessary changes or select the Delete option. Confirm your action when prompted to ensure the changes take effect. To apply this exemption in transactions, ensure you select the customer during the sales process. TaxJar will automatically account for the exemption during sales tax calculations. Regularly review your exemptions to keep them up to date as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.